So guys, let's take a look at this odd card we have here. So make sure you actually stick to the end. You can click the subscribe button, like and share. Now let's get started. We will start from the weekly time frame downward. With this odd card, what we all can see on the weekly time frame is actually a bearish move, right? Odd card is actually dropping, which means our odd is dropping below our card. Now you have to zoom it out, right? You can see on the weekly time frame that it once ranged up. It once gave us a bullish move upward. So I mean, this was the lowest point here. We would be alighting here. This was the lowest point the odd card actually got to. Then we actually saw a rally movement upward, and after that movement, which hit this highs, then we started having another drop on this odd card. Very likely we would have that drop to this level where our odd actually tapped, where we had this long huge week before it actually came up. Or let's just see if the odd card would actually give us a move to 0.83960 before this year ends. Let's see if it will actually give us that move, or it might take us to the next year. So I mean, weekly time frame, we are still bearish. Now the price is now below the 10-period moving average. At first it break above the 10-period moving average, but later it's actually dropped. So now that is below the 10-period moving average, there's only one thing we should actually look for, which is to actually short it. We should actually go bearish with this odd card. And again, see it this way, for this odd card we would analyze some key level where we are taking like this. Now take a look at this. This is a key level where the price actually dropped. It came at this level. It's kind of range at this level. Then it broke below it, came back to test level, then continue to go upward. So once again, the price actually came down again on this odd card. Then after some times, it's actually double tap this level multiple times. Then the price is now at that level. Guess what we are waiting for? We are waiting for a break again on this odd card. Let's see if probably this week or next week we would actually be able to take out these lows. A level of 0.87565. If the odd card can actually get to a level of 0.87565, then it might actually go up again as a pullback level, then a drop again. So above all, what we are expecting or we are seeing is that we are waiting for a drop to actually take out these lows on this odd card, which means we have to go bearish. Now run down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame, as we all can see, as we want to take this trade, is actually a bearish move. Starting from here, this was a bearish move here. We had a pullback level. We had a pull. You see, we had another 4 right here, right? Now this is a pullback level, so we are expecting another drop again on this odd card, which means daily time frame you are expecting a drop. Let's see if the drop will actually take out these lows this week or next week. So above all, the odd card we are expecting a drop, which means daily time frame we are actually expecting to go short by me. So but one thing is that we actually closed bullish yesterday, right, on this odd card, but it is actually open red today. Let's see if it will actually continue to drop, because this is actually a key level here. You see the price has reacted here multiple times, even came to this level again and reacts at this level. So basically it makes sense why we might very much see a drop at this level on card, which means we're very much likely to close bearish today. But let's see how the price reacts. To place this trade, right, to place this trade, I think to place this trade we will go down to the 4-hour time frame. Once it is that the 4-hour time frame is actually still bullish, so I mean we want to short it, we want to actually short it down. But since the 4-hour time frame is still giving us a bullish move, we would have to wait till the 4-hour time frame is the price action on the 4-hour time frame is below the 10-period moving average. If not, we might continue to see a bullish move. probably if the price can break below here, if price can break below it, then we might see a pullback. After the pullback, then we can enter the trade and go down on this AUDCAD. So basically 4-hour time frame is still bullish. Let's wait till it breaks below the 10 period moving average, and it also breaks below here the level of 0.88846. Then you can enter the trade and short it downward on this AUDCAD. I think if we can first of all take out this close for the day, that should be giving us a level of 60 pips. If price breaks above the 10 period moving average and breaks below this level here, then we should actually enter the trade. That will give us 60 plus pips. And once we enter it straight down to this level, we are talking about for the lowest point, which is that will be giving us about at least 60 plus pips to grab. So AUDCAD, we are expecting to go bearish, but once the price give us the bearish move or the signal, then we can enter the trade for the day.